man swap that home.
Nah, for real.
And they already had the Brembos.
Exactly, bro. Yeah, this damn 300 hard as hell.
I don't think it's that boy hard. Don't get me wrong. That boy super.
I ain't gonna lie, even if that bitch a V6, this bitch hard.
Oh, got the camo wrap?
Yeah, I thought you saw it. With the 5 spokes, bro. Damn, with the matte black roof. This is my favorite by far, I ain't gonna lie.
Hell, that one got me.
What, the Scatty or the SRT8?
The SRT8. This is the Scats all the time. But yeah, this is definitely next. And I like that Mustang too.
I ain't even peep it over here.
I know what that is.
I seen that nigga before. He was at the last meet I went to.
He got nitrous on that.
You do?
Yeah, he was racing. He be with, you don't know Nelson, but he be with Nelson. I like that.
Yeah, it's hard.
If more people come, I record. But I don't know.
I guess I'll start something for right now. You know? And look at the inside, bro. Talk about quiet. I ain't never seen this one. This bitch hard.
Yeah, I like that. He got that fire extinguisher in the back.
He do?
Yeah, you see it right there in the middle. I mean,
Excuse me, y'all.
He got the turbo in the back.
Oh, shit, look, bro.
That's what I was just looking
Hold on, let me tell my. You don't see it?
at.
Oh, yeah, the NOS tank. My bad, yeah.
Okay. I'm looking for the.
No, I get what he was saying.
He got the best of both worlds.
Man, for real.
He got the bang in the back.
Man, what? For real, going crazy. I wonder, is it originally like, oh, it's okay.
Yeah, it's for sure. I know the motor too.
Man. 13, 20.
Man, you see the thick wheels in the back.
I'm saying. RT8 300. Fiat. Damn.
Whoever car this is, nice car. I like that, man.
For real.
You don't see these no more either.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know why I thought this was bro back at home. What's that nigga name with the silver SRT 300?
Do I follow him?
You probably do.
Bobby.
Nah, bro.
Never, his Instagram never in the way.
Nah.
Okay, never mind.
Damn, bro, it's gonna bother me.
We gonna find it.
Yeah. It's something, bro. Damn, that shit gonna bother me.
I think that motherfucker loud. Yeah, his shit, man.
That 300 so damn hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that bitch.
Oh, yeah. That's the one.
That shit keep catching my eye.
It's that one. I like it. Oh, hey. 300 and
the SRT 38?
Yeah.
I said SRT 38, but you know what I mean.
I got you.
Yeah.
That's not, I thought that was SRT.
That's a 5.7?
That's a 5.7.
Yeah. Or I don't know, because it got the SRT8 rims. Oh, that don't mean shit, though. I thought about it.
It definitely should be flipped. That whole planet.
That one down there?
Yeah. I won't want to swing turbo, though. Or just cammed or anything.
Right.
But daily. I think that black Mustang. I seen that. Yes, I text their ass today. Like, I need that fixed. Man.
Nah, for real.
Urgently.
Damn.
Exactly.
That just happened today?
I think when I was washing my car, it happened. But I'm about to get my wheels black after I get my lawn springs on.
Right.
But they gonna do my wheels too. I need all that fixed though.
Hell
like, bro,
yeah.
I'm not.
Is your shit glistening like that? Damn, this nigga.
That bitch not glistening.
This nigga rich,
My
man.
shit dirty, man. I just washed my shit in that rain. I got to clean it. Talk about the wheel space.
This nigga wheels hard as fuck. Y'all can't lie.
I gotta get some Lawrence sprayed on. Those going on probably
See the
next
gap
week.
between them.
Bro, them bitches gonna be so tucked, bro. And I'm about to put like some 305s on that hoe. And probably run like I'm gonna say 265s. That might be pushing it, because it's already.
Ain't this y'all favorite SS?
Nah, not yet. Wait till I get some.
Oh no, it's already hard, brother. It's too late.
Once I get the boost on it, then we gonna be good.
Oh yeah, this $1 decaf.
This hoe is hard.
With the taxi shit.
Exactly. He'll walk a nigga down. I know.
For real. This bitch hard as hell. Hey, he the same one who did mine. Yep, it sure will. That bitch
like
hard.
Wheels, bro.
Them wheels hard as fuck.
He got his shit on Lawrence.
Yeah. That bitch hard. He probably got the white tail lights too.
That couch.
That damn hood, bro. Look at the fucking hood.
Oh, it got decal on the hood.
It do?
Go this way. You gotta go towards the light a little bit.
Oh shit, you sure do. Cause it's
He's sweet.
oh, yeah, that nigga cold.
Right there. That's
Yeah,
hard.
yeah, you can't see it. Okay, and the flashlight you can see it. That bitch hard.
I need them love man.
Bro, that bitch hard. And you got Rich around.
Once them Lawrence sprays and them haters get on, then we getting busy. I need this hoe to start walking on. I can't with no more footage.
I'm saying, I feel you. I'm like, sure, I like
I want to
that.
see that truck.
Yeah, that truck hard as hell. Especially the rims. I fuck with the rims.
This meat for sure got some potential.
Yeah, it do. This gonna be an SRT Jeep probably.
I think that's a 5.7.
Think so?
For sure. High club.
Pushing that bitch too. The chrome lip though, that shit hard. That's 5.7. Yeah, 5.7 for sure. Oh, he moving. Hell, that's saying to go get my shit. Man. Hell yeah, they got the taxi shit. That bitch hard as hell. Oh.
I ain't know. I support all whips.
No, for sure, but damn, it look good from afar.
I thought they were gonna come in
Vet, cat,
literally.
man,
TRX.
ZL1 off.
That's hard.
Yeah, all of a sudden, they don't even run ass for shit, but
I think they put in. I'm thinking TRX.
I'm
cat.
saying, yeah, I did think that bitch was a TRX, so I ain't gonna lie. I'm like, okay, these niggas turn. Damn, I ain't gonna.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?